It's Patrick at Pals. So let's say you got a 39 hot rod. And let's say you need service on it, but it's been lowered. Look at this car. It's slammed to the ground, right? Tires look great underneath those fender wells. But how do you get that up on a lift without damaging it? Well, if you come to Pals, we've got the right equipment to make that happen. If you look here, these are race ramps. They go under the existing ramp. That way, when you drive a lowered car up, it lifts it before it gets to the drive-on. And then we can get your hot rod on the rack. If you've got a 39 Ford and it's been lowered, like this one, bring it to Pals. We can lift it safely and do any maintenance or repair that you need. See you soon.